Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. I'm just passing by. Be like. 1. I'm just passing by the snack table. Reason, looking is free, tasting is tempting. 2. I'm just passing by the park. Reason, fresh air is always a nice bonus. 3. I'm just passing by the bookstore. Reason, books seem to wave hello. 4. I'm just passing by the coffee shop. Reason, that delicious aroma is impossible to ignore. 5. I'm just passing by my comrade's home. Reason, a quick wave can brighten the day. 6. I'm just passing by the bakery. Reason, fresh bread smells amazing. 7. I'm just passing by the beach. Reason, the ocean breeze is refreshing. 8. I'm just passing by the gym. Reason, maybe tomorrow is workout day. 9. I'm just passing by the pet store. Reason, cute animals deserve a hello. 10. I'm just passing by the playground. Reason, happy laughter is contagious. 11. I'm just passing by the library. Reason, quiet places can feel peaceful. 12. I'm just passing by the flower shop. Reason, flowers make everything brighter. 13. I'm just passing by the movie theater. Reason, maybe the next film is worth watching. 14. I'm just passing by the food court. Reason, so many tasty choices. 15. I'm just passing by the toy store. Reason, everyone has an inner child. 16. I'm just passing by the music store. Reason, every melody tells a story. 17. I'm just passing by the bike trail. Reason, outdoor adventures are fun. 18. I'm just passing by the museum. Reason, history is always interesting. 19. I'm just passing by the ice cream shop. Reason, sweet treats are hard to resist. 20. I'm just passing by the market. Reason, fresh fruits look colorful. 21. I'm just passing by the bus stop. Reason, everyone's heading somewhere. 22. I'm just passing by the fountain. Reason, it's relaxing to watch the water. 23. I'm just passing by the sports court. Reason, game looks exciting. 24. I'm just passing by the school. Reason, learning never really stops. 25. I'm just passing by the garden. Reason, nature is calming. 26. I'm just passing by the arcade. Reason, games bring out smiles. 27. I'm just passing by the train station. Reason, every trip begins somewhere. 28. I'm just passing by the town square. Reason, there's always something happening. 29. I'm just passing by the sunset view. Reason, some moments are too beautiful to rush. 30. I'm just passing by your day. Reason, a kind smile can leave a lasting memory even during a quick visit. Sometimes we're just passing by, but a smile, laugh, or a kind word can make the moment unforgettable. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias!